I mean, it was a boy, so yeah. And so we shared one big flat for.
Like
for
Michael
some
Jackson. Ouch! Sorry. Rest in peace. Sorry.
The boy was around like 30 years old, and he didn't speak any English. He was the first
communication with him.
So that was a really very challenge.
It comes next.
No, he was talking with samurai.
The scary part.
Let him finish.
He was the first time in Europe, and that's how I understood that Japan is very different. So we were communicating like he knew like maybe five words in English. So I was, how's your name? Anaya? Vladimir. Oh, Vladimir. Also. And once he had many dirty clothes. So like, he wanted to, as I understood later, he wanted only to wash his clothes. So one day he comes to me with some pack and was like, Vladimir, Amida, what? Oh, I was like, what do you need? Wait, what? What is it? Ah, okay, washing clothes. Wash, yeah. He gives me the washing clothes. Okay, I show you how the machine works. We come, okay, here is the machine. And he was so, I take the clothes, put inside, and I ask him, do you have some washing powder? Powder, what's powder? Powder, yeah, you put something. Oh, wait, I have powder. He takes a jar, and in the jar he has some like kerchiefs, and they use it as a washing powder. I was like, no. We have this normal powder, Oh, and I put this one. Oh, Japan not like that. Japan, oh. And we put it. Then he was, how work? Don't worry, I show you. First you put the clothes, and I was thinking like Japan,
Advanced country.
Yeah, advanced country,
yeah.
high-tech country.
And, yeah. And washing powder here, and then I was, oh, you put there. Japan, no. Japan here. Japan here. So, like, in Japan, they don't. It was the first the time in his life that he saw the washing machine in the front loading, and he was like, "Oh, so Japan only this." And then we put, Japan not like this. So I started the machine, and I swear you, it's a true story. Like it's like 40 minutes, 1 hour. He sat like that, and he was watching that. Also, and to me, I was there. Also, ooh. And that was like a real spectacular thing.
I can't believe it's like a card. That's one of the best.
Thank you.
When we moved together and got our first washing machine, it's also from there.
Don't tell me he was there like,
And home we were also a lot from up, so I was actually watching quite a bit.
She was the one.
I was saying like you're gonna buy the one with the side loading. It's better.
Okay, I respect.
We have both these Slovaks.
But actually, watch it when you are watching some kind of colorful it's really funny actually, you know.
Yeah, yeah,
The thing is watching
it is very funny.
You think about
Well,
it.
you can.
Yeah.
No, I'll tell you.
Just a little bit, but for digesting this story.
Little bit. This is an amazing story, Vlad. This is an amazing story.
Anybody else? I can give his email.
Yes, you may have so many things here, and you have to just like press it yourself. Just watch it.
But it was a
Dinka, I got an idea like we can really win an Oscar award. Just make a movie of the thing and just put some kind and then we'll have the best movie.
Okay, one toast,
One toast, yeah. Toast, yeah. Okay, Vlad.
Russian way.
Yeah.
You know who was the King Solomon, King Shlomo, and do you know why he was so wise?
Wait.
He had long hair.
He drinks a lot.
No.
Why he was wise? Huh?
Yeah, wise. He was very. You do know that he was very wise. No?
Actually from Slovakia. He didn't know about it.
Okay, it's much more simple. He had 700 wives, and before making any decision, he always listened to them. You know. So let's drink to the female wisdom.
Wow.
But this guy, can I sort of? This guy is good.
I like
That was good.
So wise men always should listen to their wives.
That is the reason Krishna has also 16,000 wives. So, yeah, only 16,000 wives.
There's a little bit inflation already there.
Yeah.
After 1,000, it's like
Have you
you're just
tasted?
showing off after 1,000.
Have you tasted that one?
Why